Hello, Stacy Serrano here. So you're looking for information on dropshipping. So how do you dropship successfully? Well, one, you want to make sure that you're dealing with reputable suppliers. And when I say reputable, I'm saying suppliers that are not fly-by-night companies, companies that have been around a while, and companies that you know when they give you a delivery date or a ship date, that's the date they're going to ship. Because one thing you don't want to do is upset your buyer. For example, you don't want your buyer to expect their dining room table to show up on the 4th and you have to let them know that I'm sorry, but your dining room table is not showing up till the 14th. This will upset them. This will then lead them to leave you negative feedback. And if you get too many of these, your account will get shut down. So you want to try to avoid this. So you definitely want to make sure you're dealing with reputable suppliers. And you want to make sure that when they deliver something that is correct, the order is correct, it has all its pieces, it's not broken. I mean, things do happen during transit, things break, it happens occasionally. But 99% of the time, you want everything to run smooth. And the only way to run smooth is when you're dealing with suppliers that you can trust. And the next thing you want to make sure you're doing is that you're handling your account professionally. And when I say professionally, you're listing professionally. You're not going out there and just listing anything you see online, because there's a lot of people that have branded products out there that don't want anyone drop shipping their items. So you want to make sure that you're carefully listing items and making sure that these companies are okay with you drop shipping. So these are two key tips. I hope they really help you out. If you want to take a look at the program that really helped me and it's helping a lot of other people learn how to drop ship successfully on eBay, on Amazon, then you want to click on the link at the bottom. That's www.partnerwithstacyserrano.com. Take care. Bye-bye.